Okay, in today's video we are going to deal with the third category of numeric function, that is date and time function. As we know it very well that we are dealing with single row function. That single row function is divided into three, that is numeric, string, and third one is date and time function. So right now we are going to deal with the third and the last one, that is date and time functions. Name onwards is clear that date and time means what? It will perform the task upon date and time type of data. As we know it very well that if we include date, then we make use of date as data type, right? So if any sort of functioning is to be done onto that date data type, so we are we will be seeing certain functions which can work upon that date and time data type. Okay, and we know it very well that the date which we use in MySQL is in this format, that is year, month and date. Year, month and date, and this is separated with the hyphen symbol. Okay, now let us see the very first one, that is cur date. This cur date means what? Current date. So what is meaning of this cur date function? It returns the current date in year, month and date format. So if we want to see what is the current date, means what is today's date, and we have written this in MySQL, we have written select cur date. Just see here in the example, select cur date function, so it will show you today's date. Okay, and you know it very well that date, time as well as string type, this is to be written within single quotes. So here you can find the answer is written in single quotes. Okay, so this is all about cur date. Cur date simply means what? It returns the current date in year, month and date format, and hyphen is to be included within this year, month and date. Okay, now let us check the second function. This is now function. Now see what is now function. Now returns the current date as well as the time. Now function returns the current date and time in year, month, date, hour, minute, second format. Okay, so if you want to check today's date as well as today's time, so what we'll do, we'll make use of this now function. Just check the example, select now function. So within single quotes you will find today's date with the current time. Okay, now third one is sysdate. Sysdate means what? System date. This is its full form is system date function. So what this sysdate does, it also returns the current date and time in hour, in date and time in year, minute, year, month, date, hour, minute, second format. Now see, if I say now and system date, they both perform exactly the same in the same manner. So what will be the difference? First of all, check the example. What we have written, select sysdate function. So again you will find the exact date and the exact time. So if I say now and sysdate, they both function exactly the same. So what will be the difference between these two? See, now function tells you the current time at which the system, at which the statement begin to execute. Now function tells you the time at which the statement begin to execute, and sysdate will tell you the exact time. Just imagine, suppose we have written select now function, and as soon as I have written select now function, the timing is 9:30, 9:30, 9:30, and then suppose 01 second. Now see, this is the time at which we started, at which we begin the statement, right? So time is 9:30 and then 0, suppose 01 second. Now I have written sysdate. I have written sysdate function. So sysdate function will tell you the time, the exact time, the exact sysdate will tell you the exact time just after writing this statement. Just imagine that right now the time is 9:30 and then 5 seconds. Sysdate will tell you that the current time is 9:30 and then 05 second. So this is difference between these two. Now function tells you can find the difference here. Now function tells you that constant time at which statement begin to execute, and sysdate tells you the exact time. We can say sysdate tells you the current time. Okay. Next is date function. Now date is what, see, if we have a date, so date we know it very well, that is in year, month and date format. Okay, so if you particularly want the date part out of a date and time expression, so we will make use of this date type. So just see its meaning, it extracts the date part of a date or date time expression. Okay, just take an example, select date. The what is given within single quotes, you can find date as well as you can find the time. Suppose we want to extract the date. So what we'll do, we'll make use of this date function, and from this date part you can easily extract the date. So your answer will be the date part. Okay. Next function is month function. Now see, name of it is clear. Month means what? It will return the month. Obviously month, it will return the month in the numeric format, like 1 to 12. Okay, so let us see what is this month. It returns the numeric month from the